Hi, this is Jim Slane in Washington Township, right in the Centerville area. Take a look at the job right here that I'm doing. This was actually a porch a long time ago. They put the roof on top of this already. It was just framed about every 3 foot on center. Brick walls. I actually didn't do none of that. I'm redoing all this. This is pretty much what it looked like before, and it had foam sheathing on the inside. There's part of the old frame on this side. We're actually going to put Pella doors, Pella windows in this. Don't know if he's going to try to hardy board the brick or not. We're going to hardy board basically from the top of that limestone up. There was a lot of notching here to get over the top of these brick pillars. Poured concrete in here. Set the door frames on. Everything was a little bit different here. Basically got to fur that wall out up there so you can hang drywall and stuff in here. Yeah, sometimes doing a job like this is a little bit more complicated. Took all this frame out, redid it. Got the header here, which is 4.5 inches on this side, and the header over here on this side is only 3 inches. So with the hardy panel that we're actually going to put on here, it's not going to be lap siding. It's actually going to be 4x8 sheets of hardy panel that we're going to put on top of this. It's going to be a little weird with all the, brick columns notching, but yeah, he didn't want to tear none of that stuff out. But I specialize in jobs like this, getting everything really flush. It's going to work out real nice with the drywall and the doors and all that kind of stuff. So maybe tune in, see how this job looks later. This is Jim Slane, 614-470-2356. We do all types of stone work, brick, carpentry, trim work, entertainment centers, framing in room additions, porches, patios, all kinds of stuff. Thank you for watching.